What's going on, family? It's your man Stock Brother, and I'm back with another one. Make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on all the important information I got for you. Last month was such a great month for us. We had so many wins. I made a lot of money. My Discord family made a lot of money. And I'm sure the viewers made a lot of money as well. If you made money on any of my plays, comment down below and let me know what play it was that you made money on and how much you made if you want to share that. I always love hearing from the family. This month, we're going to be talking about two hot stocks that are ready to explode. So you don't want to miss this one. Do your man a favor and smash that like button. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It really helps my channel get discovered and it pushes it out to the algorithm. So thank you again for smashing that like button. So without further delay, let's take care of some business, then get right into it.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, SBA family? Shout out to the paper chasers and the money makers. Welcome to my channel where we review hot stocks and are always looking for those hidden gems. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next hot new video, and smash that like button. Be sure to check out the postings of my winning stock plays in the YouTube community section. The link is in the description below. Join the Discord by subscribing to the Patreon for real-time alerts of all my hot stock picks. By joining the family, you will be amongst motivated, like-minded individuals making money in the stock market.
Cash money.
Let's get that paper. Shout out to the Discord family. A lot of y'all made money last month, and we're gonna acknowledge some of y'all. Shout out to my boy College Trader. He made $500 on ticker symbol LEXX. Keep doing your thing, brother. Shout out to our brother Gord Monet with a win of $270 on ticker symbol GGE. He also made $156 on ticker symbol UCAR. Keep stacking them chips, bro. Shout out to Discord member IC Money. I love this guy's handle. It's so cool. But he made $51 on ticker symbol BTTX. Let's go. Big congrats to our brother Jay Rasha. He made $505 on ticker symbol VAXX. Jay Rasha has been killing it in the Discord. Big congrats to our sister Monica with a $560 win on ticker symbol DTSS. I'm proud of you, sis. And last but not least, big shout out to Discord member Vanny, who made $26 on ticker symbol BTXX and also made $22 on ticker symbol LEXX. Congrats again. Let's give our winners a round of applause. Jaguar Health, ticker symbol JAGX. Now this is a stock that we've spoken about several times before, and a lot of you have been asking me if I'm still in it. Yes, I am still in the stock, and I'm still bullish on this stock. It is a high risk play though, so I would advise you to proceed with caution. So I'm going to be giving you guys a quick update on this stock. The company recently requested a hearing to appeal a potential delisting of the company's securities from NASDAQ. So what is this all about? On February 15th, the company received a letter from NASDAQ indicating that as of February 14th, the company's common stock had a closing bid of 10 cents or less for 10 consecutive trading days, subjecting the company to provisions of the NASDAQ low price stocks rule. So basically what that rule meant was that the company was going to be delisted on February 26th. The company then requested an appeal before the NASDAQ hearings panel, which was granted. That hearing most likely won't take place until April or May. So that gives the company enough time to do what they gotta do to get that price back up. As we know, the company stated previously that they expect to have the data ready before the end of Q1. Let's keep our fingers crossed for a positive outcome. On Friday, the company dropped an 8K, which stated on March 1st, the company entered into a privately negotiated exchange agreement with Streetville Capital. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail into this because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a lawyer, but basically the company is cleaning out their debt. So in my opinion, and again, this is in my opinion, I think this tells me that the company is preparing to make a big announcement. Why would they be cleaning out their debt? Again, let's hope for the best, and I definitely have my fingers and my toes crossed. This whole time I've been doubling down on the stock. I've been averaging down and currently hold over 174,000 shares at a cost basis of 11 cents. If this stock does what I think it'll do, it's going to be a life-changing situation for me. That's the risk I'm willing to take to get that paper. So again guys, don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. The next banger that we're going to be talking about is OpGen, ticker symbol OPGN. The stock is currently trading at 58 cents. The year range for the stock is 17 cents on the low and $3.84 on the high. OpGen is a precision medicine company which engages in developing and commercializing molecular microbiology solutions in the United States and internationally. This company has a range of products, but we're going to be focusing on their Univero platform, which is an automated sample to answer molecular diagnostic platform that integrates automated sample preparation, analysis, and identification of disease-relevant pathogens and antibiotic resistance markers. OpGen is currently seeking FDA approval for their Univero urinary tract infection panel. According to them, the panel can give results in less than 5 hours. Some of the features of this product include rapid detection, as I stated before, which can give you results in less than 5 hours. Direct from native specimens, which means that you can get samples from midstream, suprapubic, and fresh catheter urines. PCR technology, which is a multiplex, broad spectrum of clinically relevant pathogens and antibiotic resistance markers associated with UTIs. It's cartridge based, which makes it simple and easy to use, and random access, which is a scalable configuration. According to the company, urinary tract infections, including CUTIs, result in a considerable economic and public health burden, frequently and substantially affecting patients' quality of life. In the US, UTIs result annually in an estimated 7 million physician office visits, 1 million visits to emergency departments, and over 100,000 hospitalizations, with an overall associated total healthcare cost of $2 billion. During the past 2 decades, UTIs have contributed to a significant increase in hospitalizations in the US. OpGen submitted their de novo request to the FDA back on April of 2023. So that was almost a year ago. So we should be hearing back from the FDA soon. Let's take a deep dive into this press release. According to the company, the trial was based on a large multi-center study that included over 1,800 patients. The primary endpoint for the UTI device was successfully met and showed an overall weighted average sensitivity of 96.8% and an overall weighted average of 97.4%. The press release continues by stating, following the in-depth analysis of all of our clinical trial data, we have compiled a comprehensive submission package for our de novo classification request, building on a large data set of Univero data and multi-reference methods. It continues by stating, this marks a major milestone and we're looking forward to working closely with the FDA during the interactive review of the Univero UTI panel, which we hope to become the first high multiplex molecular diagnostic IVD for urine samples granted by the FDA. This data was also presented at the ASM Microbe 2023 conference back in June. The company stated, our data demonstrated that the Univero UTI panel covered nearly 94% of all organisms identified in standard of care microbiology culture, It helped identify a significant number of additional organisms in the study that were missed or not reported by standard of care testing alone, with an overall weighted average sensitivity of 96.9% and an overall weighted average of 97.1%. So what does all this mean? Basically, what the company is trying to do is they're trying to become the standard of care for identifying UTIs. Now, if they're able to do that, and we've already discussed that the market is over $2 billion, there's tremendous upside here. Also, something that I didn't mention before was that they have a very small float of about 10 million shares. So this has the potential to really move on approval. We're locked and loaded, and the Discord family is ready for takeoff. See you all in the Discord, and let's get that paper. That's all I have for today. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on what we discussed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your boy out by smashing that like button. It helps my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. So until next time, let's get that paper.